In addition to rideshare, there are other flexible earning opportunities like food delivery or grocery delivery or package delivery. And with the holidays just around the corner, package delivery jobs are in really high demand. So today we're going to discuss what it's like to be a UPS personal vehicle driver. So first off, a UPS personal vehicle driver is exactly as it's stated in the title. You drive your own personal vehicle to deliver UPS packages. And as far as some requirements, you'd be required to lift, lower, and carry packages of up to 70 pounds. It's a full-time opportunity to work 8 hours Monday through Friday. Saturday and holiday work may be available or required. You need to be 21 years of age or older, have a valid driver's license, no at-fault accidents within the last 3 years, no moving violations within the last 12 months, proof of a registered vehicle for use, minimum state required auto insurance, and comply with company appearance guidelines. The sign-up process is simple. You'll just search by the keyword personal vehicle driver on the UPS jobs website and filter by your location, and you'll see one of the results here nearby me is seasonal personal vehicle package driver. And then once you click that link, you can apply from there. And once your application is submitted, you'll be contacted by a UPS team member for interview, and since the holiday season is approaching, you can expect to be contacted pretty quickly. We have also heard that the interview process is pretty easy, and the onboarding and hiring process is fairly quick as well. And we recently had an interview with a UPS personal vehicle driver on our blog at therideshareguy.com, and Donald, the driver that we interviewed, had these things to say. UPS provides a phone and uniform, but it's important that you have good shoes to work in. Training was about 5 hours, and it is pretty intense, but it was great to get it done up front. It's very detailed, and they go over everything you need to learn for the job. There were also 2 hours of additional online training that I had to take. You do have a ride-along that comes with you on the first day to evaluate how you're doing. The one thing I wish training would have covered in more detail is how to organize your car and sort the packages so you can deliver them quickly. The brown UPS trucks have shelves in them, which makes grabbing and delivering packages convenient. Ideally, you want to stack the packages in your car according to route and in the order of which addresses you'll be delivering to. So again, about 5 hours of in-person training, about 2 hours of online training, and you also have someone do a ride-along with you on your first day. Alright, so the next question, how much can you make? Donald told us that last year he worked during the holiday season for about 13 days, including Saturdays, and made about $21 per hour. He also said since the work is more physical, shifts aren't super long, but it all depends on how many deliveries you have for the day. He said he delivered anywhere from 80 to 140 packages per day and worked 6 to 9 hour shifts on average. And as far as an overall review of being a UPS personal vehicle driver, Donald had this to say: I would definitely like to do this job again and wouldn't even mind becoming a regular UPS driver one day. Although to do this, you need to work in a warehouse for about 9 months. Donald also said he liked this gig in particular since he could deliver for UPS using his own vehicle and had guaranteed pay plus mileage. And Donald is also a rideshare driver, and he had this piece of advice for those looking to drive for UPS and Lyft and Uber. With UPS personal delivery driver shifts as short as 6 hours, you can simply schedule your rideshare driving around that time. You may need to change your strategy up a bit, but I typically drive for Uber more than 20 hours per week and do some handyman work on the side as well, so there's still plenty of room for another income stream. So overall, what do you guys think of this job? Is it something that would entice you? Is delivering UPS packages with your own personal vehicle something that you think you'd want to do? With the holiday season coming, this job is going to be in a lot of demand. Have you tried other delivery opportunities like Amazon Flex or grocery or food delivery? If you haven't signed up for one of those, we'll have links in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and drive safe. Thanks.